I want to go ahead and apologize for the way my voice sounds this week. It is finally spring in Missouri and the pollen is in full force here. In this video, I cleaned the graves of two brothers, Jessie and Jimmie Hodgson. I talked about the boys' father in one of my previous videos over Manuel and Rebecca Smith. Before Jessie and Jimmie were born in 1884, their father, Alva Hodgson, purchased land from Manuel Smith. This land had a large spring on it, and he later built Hodgson Mill over the spring. Hodgson Mill is a popular visiting spot in this area, and it's not very far from the cemetery I clean these graves in. After purchasing the land later that year, Alva married Manuel's daughter, Mary Jane Smith. Alva and Mary would have 9 children together, with 4 of them passing away during childhood. Of the 2 boys, Jessie was born first on May 14, 1896 in Ozark County, Missouri. 2 years later, on February 20, 1898, Jimmie was born. Jimmie passed away first on May 12, 1898 at the age of only 2 months. Jimmie's family buried him in Martin Cemetery in Ozark County, Missouri. A few years later, in 1890, Alva and Mary's daughter Georgia was born. Georgia passed away at only 5 months old, and she was buried next to Jimmie. I had planned on also cleaning Georgia's grave when I went to this cemetery, but once I got down there, I saw that her grave had broken half. When I went to clean the boys' graves, I saw that Jessie's stone had also broken in half at some point, but somebody had repaired it, so I did make sure to check the stability of it before I began cleaning it. Jessie lived several more years after Jimmie and Georgia passed away. He passed away on June 3, 1906 at the age of 10. The family buried Jessie next to his little brother and sister in Martin Cemetery. After the boys passed away, Alva and Mary continued to live in Ozark County. Alva eventually partnered up with his brother George, and he went on to build several more mills, including ones at Rainbow Springs and Dot. Alva and Mary are buried by each other, and they are in the row next to these children. Jessie and Jimmie also have several grandparents and aunts and uncles buried around them. When I went to upload my photos to find a grave, I found that both of the boys' death and birth years were incorrect on their page. Jessie's page said he was 20 at the time of his passing, while Jimmie's birth and death years were just wrong. I uploaded my clean photos so you could clearly read what the headstone said, and I requested the dates be corrected. Both of the boys' stones have a lamb carved at the top, which symbolizes the innocence of a child. While cleaning, I also noticed that both of the boys had middle names that started with L. I did some digging, and I wasn't able to find out what those names were. My family tree showed that I'm not related to the Hodgson boys, but my husband is through their mother, Mary. They are his 7th cousins, 4 times removed. Thank you so much for watching. Rest in peace, Jessie and Jimmie.